Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw this isometric cross. Let's open a new document. First, we will create this grid. Swap the fill and the stroke and be sure the stroke is set to none. Next, select the Polygon tool. Click on the artboard, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the down arrow key on your keyboard a few times to reduce the number of sides to 3. While you are still holding your mouse, press the Shift key as well to constrain it. Press the letter V to switch to the selection tool and rotate this triangle by 90 degrees. With the triangle still selected, go to Object, Repeat and choose Grid. Next, we will edit the grid. We can do it from the Tab toolbar or from the Properties panel. Let's open the More Options pull-down menu and change the grid type to Brick by Column. Next, we have to make sure that these 3 points are aligned. To do this, change the horizontal and vertical spacing in grid value to 0. Now click away to see the results. Let's zoom in and turn on the outline mode to see if all points are aligned. If you wish to make the grid cells smaller or larger, just scale it up or down. The smaller the cells, the more flexibility you will have to design your artwork. I'm going to leave it at this size. Let's move it to the top left corner of our artboard and extend the right and bottom handles to cover the artboard. Next, go to Object and choose Expand. Click OK. Now go to Layers and open the sublayers of Layer 1. You will notice that Illustrator creates a clipping path layer. Make sure this layer is selected and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. If we miss this step, we won't be able to use the Live Paint bucket later on. Now select the whole group and change the fill to None. Select the Live Paint Bucket tool from the toolbar panel or press the letter K on your keyboard. Next, go to Swatches and choose any color that you like. Let's pick this red from the top. You will notice that our cursor shows the chosen color in the middle. We can choose the next color from the Swatches panel, or to speed up our work, we can use the left or right arrow keys on our keyboard to quickly switch between colors. Now, single-click to apply the selected color to a desired cell, or click and drag to apply it to many cells at once. Let's create the top part of our cross. It helps to have a sketch for reference. Switch to the next color and create another cross on this side. Switch to another color and create one more cross on this side. Next, we'll apply the same blue to the side surfaces, facing the same direction as the blue cross. Let's change the color to yellow and apply it to the surfaces facing the same direction as the yellow cross. Change the color to red and apply it to the surfaces facing the same direction as the red cross. To change colors, first open Recolor Artwork from the Tab toolbar. Click on Advanced Options to expand this window. And keep clicking on this icon to randomly change color order. Choose a different color group if you wish. Or go to Edit and change colors by moving these handles. I'm going to use this color group I've created beforehand. With the Live Paint group, we can not only change colors, but also easily modify our grid. Let's select the Live Paint selection tool and click on the red color to get the same shade of red. Be sure the group is selected, and now press the letter K to switch to the Live Paint bucket or select it from the toolbar panel. And let's extend these arms, for example. Change the color to the same gray and extend these arms as well. We can also rotate our artwork to get a different look. Possibilities are endless. Let's undo the last few steps and create a small cube in this cell. First, choose the same red for the top surface, same black for this surface, and gray for this surface. Keeping the Live Paint group is very useful, as we can always come back to it and edit it. To delete the grid outside the artwork, first make sure the Live Paint group is selected, then go to Object and choose Expand. Click OK. We can still edit triangles within this artwork, but everything outside of this shape is gone. To combine several triangles into one single shape, first be sure the Live Paint group is selected and then go to Object and choose Ungroup. Now repeat this step a few times until there is nothing else to ungroup. Next, switch to the Selection tool and select all triangles that you would like to combine into one single shape. Then go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. And here is our single cross shape. Now repeat the same steps to create other shapes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.